morning, guys. So it is currently like 10 o'clock on Sunday morning, and in my last video some of you guys said you wanted to see me vlog, so I thought, you know what, let me have a go and let's see how my quarantine vlogs go. If they go well, then you'll probably see me a lot more often. Look who came to wake me up, this little monkey. So last night I made a timetable of what I plan on doing today. Yeah, I just changed rooms because my room's on the top floor, so sometimes it gets really cold at night, so I sleep in one of the spare rooms downstairs, which is a lot warmer. My dog wants to go for a walk. I'm gonna keep this quick. This is what I plan on doing, so I have to start off with my chores. Oh yeah, and my family still haven't ordered some puzzles for us to do, so we're probably gonna do that. And I thought I'd be creative, and last night I started DIY distressing my jeans. They are half done. My main one's got a bit dodged, so I'm going to try and fix that in a bit. As of now, I need to brush my teeth, wash my face, and then take my dog for a walk because he is crying. Maybe I leave this house quickly. Come on. And there is a dog up ahead, so we're gonna have to cross roads because he gets very naughty when he sees other dogs. Come on. Okay guys, so now I am in my room. I'm about to start finishing my DIY. This is kind of where I've got up to so far. Oh, hello hun. Okay guys, so the order that I'm doing it in the video is opposite to the way you should be doing it. So you should be distressing your jeans first and then doing this. So I'm going to just put the time that you should skip to if you want to distress the jeans first on the screen now, and then jump back to this part later. So I have distressed these, and then this is kind of where I messed up because the strings have broke. I don't know how I managed that, but the joining fibers have broke, so it just looks like a hole. This one went well. This one went pretty well. So my solution was that I was gonna, you know, in like year 7 and year 8 when you have to do like every single subject and you have to do textiles as well, at school we were able to order like free samples of materials. You could probably still do that off like Harley Quinn. This is from Arlo and Jacob. Oh yeah, Arlo and Jacob as well. Arlo and Jacob and Harley Quinn. So like I used to love velvet, so I ordered so much for like, can you see how many different, like, do you see this? They're so pretty. These are all velvet materials. So I'm thinking I might do a bit of patchwork and maybe put like, Oski, come here honey, sweetheart, stay there, sweetheart, stay. Oi, I might put some like that. Oh, that looks really nice, doesn't it? That looks really nice. I'm not gonna lie, that actually looks really nice. So yeah, so it looks like it's a hole, but it's been done on purpose. I think that's really cool. And I might do some more, like I might distress it a bit more and do the same. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Got some glue, it's called Fevicol. It's just Indian glue really. Okay, my dog keeps walking on my DIY stuff, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have to move the camera. Okay honey, why do you do this to me? Serious right now. I have to put him there so he's not going to move now. I'm trying to think what's going to go nice with these jeans. I really like that one, I like that one, and I really like that one, and that one. So, oh, he's back. So I'm just going to glue these edges around here and then stick it like, stick it like that. So then on the other side it should come through. So we'll just have to see how it goes.
I haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
2,000 years later.
How good does that look? Don't know if you can see it. Just like navy green there, royal green there. I think it looks really good. I think I want to make a bit more distress. Maybe here. I'm gonna do a bit of a bigger one. So when you distress your jeans, you first want to cut 3 horizontal strips. Then you want to start pulling the jean fibers apart with a tweezer. Just gently start pulling them apart, because if you do it too rough, then it will end up quite messy like it looks here. But if you do it nicely, it will be how it was before. So this is just summarizing how to distress your jeans in one nice, simple, easy TikTok. Go follow my TikTok if you haven't already, Pari17_8. And I've got this and the part 2 on there. Go check it out.
A few inches later.
At this point, I was just thinking to myself, wow, did you really just make this banging Spotify playlist? I was getting very, very gassed because these songs are fire. And if you guys want to listen to my Spotify playlist too, the link will be in the description down below. So literally I just kept picking at the jean hairs for the next hour or two. Yeah, this takes quite a long time. If you rush it and if you want a bit of a more messy look, then it won't take as long. I was trying to be really careful because I don't really like my jeans to be very ripped. I like it quite subtle, I guess. So that's why I was being careful so I didn't make big holes and stuff.
298 frozen patties later.
This is me saying yes, finally, because I can't really show you the audio because I'm gonna get done for copyright with the music in the background. So yeah, anyways, bye.
1 pair of pants later.
Kind of my finished look. So that's where I put the velvet underneath. That's not got velvet, and then I just got that there. It's a little bit too symmetrical for my liking, so I tried to like add one there, but I'm thinking I'll add one more there and put some more velvet at the top. Yeah, I ended up not doing that because I didn't want to make it too distressed. I wanted it to be nice and subtle, just so it's not as symmetrical. And then I've got one on the back as well. Don't know if you can see, but there's some blue velvet in there. Can't really see. That was my DIY, and I'm actually really proud. For a first time DIY, I'm really impressed. See you in a bit. I mean, I already let you guys see my first TikTok, so I thought why not treat you guys again and let you see my second one. So there we have it, guys. That is basically everything I did in this video summarized in 2 nice cheeky little TikToks. Hey guys, so I have just finished picking up my dog's poop from the garden. It is like my least favourite thing to do, that's why I put off doing it. Yeah, anyway, now I am going to work out, and then after that I'm gonna have to clean my room because look at this state my room is in. Since I did my DIY, this is gonna come up. This video is going to come up tomorrow, so my parents will not see the mess, so it's okay. And by the time it's up, my room will be clean, so I'm good. Anyways guys, I'm going to go and work out. I'll be back in a bit. Hey guys, so it's been a few hours since I last spoke to you guys. I think the last you heard of me was I was about to work out. Anyways, I've worked out, showered, ate lunch, dinner, whatever, ate food, and yeah, I was supposed to film a video today, but that did not happen. I ended up watching a movie with my parents and speaking to my cousin sister from California for like a few hours, and it's now like 8 o'clock or something, so I'm not gonna film. It's too late at night to do my makeup, write down my ideas and everything, so this is my video for today. I'm gonna try and start editing this tonight, hopefully get it out by tonight, if not tomorrow morning. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end the filming there for today. But yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a huge thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below to see me weekly, daily, we don't know yet. We'll have to wait and see. Anyways, bye.